Alright, what's up guys? In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to master the gingerbread kid, alright? We're not going to be going to custom matches, we're going to go into real matches, alright? It's more funnier in squads. In solos, everybody just rushes you and you don't even get to get 40 iron. All you get to get is 1 iron and you get rushed. Like, it doesn't just make sense anymore. Well, it used to, but not now. Wait. That guy who I saw running towards me was my brother. Not like my real life brother, but my Roblox brother. He wears the same drip as me. Same map. I don't think that makes a difference, but okay. Hey. Look, same map, but he's the highest level. And he has the best drip, so I mean, hey. I think my bacon drip is better, but his is still good. Let's see. Hopefully we don't have the sweatiest team. We don't. That's a good thing. Blue team, I'm sorry. I'm basically getting you out. I don't want Jades to be flying around the entire map, alright? I think you're going to be using TNT to fly yourself around the entire map, alright? So the strategy is place it down, hop on it, break it, and jump behind them and start comboing them. Or like that, break, and that, do that. Or like, hop break. And like if you can, like hit that, and then you have to break. Nah, I think the first one is better. Gonna try to do the other one. Everyone knows this one where you just go, swing your sword. And sometimes people go like, oh, and then they jump right back. Oh, have their pickaxe out. Oh. Yeah, I don't think anyone does that. Not anymore, at least. I'm gonna show you guys. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys right now. A long sleeves. Look at this. It's coming to me. Bait. Look at that. You can also bait them. It's like you're coming in the air. They're gonna back up. Look at this guy. He's dead. Where did he come from? All I see is him running towards me, and he just went somewhere, and I'm like, where is he? And he just pops out, comboing me. Like, where does he even come from? It doesn't make sense. Am I seeing this right? We already got Diamond Age. Wow. That's crazy. Awesome. I'm an idiot. Now I have to wait a couple more seconds for the iron, alright? This is going into we're gonna get damage. Up. I meant to type that Z. I guess he didn't mean to give me iron. Is that all you were saving up for? You could have spared 10 iron? Wow. These guys are out here to win. See, it's also big. Like, how hey. Oh. Like, have it out, and go out and bait them. It's so easy. Oh, my team just smacked him up. Sorry, Blue, but you're gonna be out of the game instantly, alright? Alright, I'm gonna get my gumdrum back. Okay, maybe this is not the best strategy. Ah, he fell to the void. Classic. It's just a classic. Ow! Oh, he's already out of the game? Alright, I guess so. I need to get myself some armor. What am I doing, bro? I'm a target out here. He didn't even break his ores. Alright. Go get that Diamond Guardian then. Thanks. Okay. Oh, look at that combo. Yeah, buddy. I don't think that's gonna work out for you too well. I'm gonna capture this. I thought he was going for those emeralds, but apparently he was not. Hey, run to work. His strategy is to turn into a block array. I think that strategy works for absolutely everyone. Bro, I like getting smacked up by random kiddos in Bedwars. Like, dude, their reaches in Bedwars like that, I just hate it. Like, they can reach you from 2 miles away, alright? So we need that protection, alright? We need that armor protection so they'll be flying, so not me, it's me who's flying, so they'll be reaching me from 5 blocks away, alright? That's nearly impossible. Well, for me it's impossible because Bedwars apparently hates me and doesn't give me the reach they have. Like, that's my teammate here, that's me here, and they can hit me. Like, I don't understand. And they're running at the same speed as me, and they're even boosted me, and they're still hitting me. Like, I never have that reach, but they always have that reach. Still haven't fully mastered it. Look, the timing! You need to be so precise on that timing. Alright, let me test. Come on. Oh! Oh! I'm gonna get to break it. What if I just come over? Okay, maybe if I would have just yoinked these diamonds and never come back. Apparently I'm getting chased out. What? Hey, boy! Not the best thing that could happen to me. Why is this always there? What? What the? How did they just get me? Well, I guess we gotta try again. That was a weird experience, alright? I need to get at least, like, more than 5 kills, alright? I do not understand how they even killed me. That's what I'm saying, like, the reach is so crazy. I just saw my teammate die right before my eyes. I just blinked and my teammate was dead. The timing, though, is so hard. How did they even kill me, bro? I have no clue, dude. My teammate's just staring at me right in my soul, bro. What did I do to you? I'm sorry. Bro, why is no... Okay, yellow team, doesn't look that threatful, you know? They don't look too bad because everyone's gonna be absolutely targeting them. So I don't think level's a good thing. Guys, let's make it quick. That's what I'm saying. Everyone's gonna be targeting everyone. We're done. Yo, look, I told you, everyone's gonna be targeting everyone. We're done. Look at yellow. Everybody's just scared of yellow. And of course, we're right against them. Right against them. Right against them. Bro, we actually... all of them are captured the Jed. Our neighbor is yellow. Why? Because it's the game. And why are you so scared? It's just a game. Calm down, bro. It's just a yellow team. There's nothing scary about that. There are a couple level 40s, but hey, what's scary about that? I took it out level, like, many level 40s in my life before. Yeah, well, not the kind of these, though. Okay, I don't know if these guys are really level 40s. They act like they're level 30. Buddy. Well, this was a fun experience, I guess. Oh, what did I put it? Oh, I just bought something. Alright, teammates, you protect me, I'll protect you, alright? Our bed may be gone, but it's fine. We cannot die, bro. Our mission is just not to die, not ever. Look, they're all Russian, bro. Build up. And now he's gonna do that. Yeah, he's dead. Can't let them kill us. We have to work as a team. And now we have to build a wall. Because he's Vanessa. He's building the Great Wall of China. Holy, bro. Yo, I'm dead. Nah, I'm dead. What is this lag? What is that kill? How do I even get the kill? We're just getting... No! Our teammate got wiped out. Oh, this teammate, come on. You thought, boy. And now I'm up here. And now I'm down in the void. It's okay. We can always play again. And this is the last match. Honestly, I don't care if these are level 40s or not. I don't care, honestly, because they just want to grind the game, they grind the game. If they want to not grind the game, they don't want to grind the game. But you can always take them out. Like, level doesn't mean skill. Like, some people can be level 50s and have absolutely zero skill. And these guys have absolutely no skill. They just get lucky. Like in bed breaking, they have skill, but in PvP, no skill. He just knocked me off by luck. How many times have you guys knocked off people by just luck? And you're the same as these people, and you're like level 1. Like, it's the same as being level 1 as being a level 40. And, yeah. So there's level 40 on pink, it's okay. I'll pretend like I'm breaking the bed, alright? Alright, this is the last match I'm doing, and my process, I want to just get at least like 2 kills with an owl play, with a gun drop. Yeah, I definitely got that. What if I go like, boom? Wait, I go like that, and boom. Okay, I go like that. No, I don't go like that. I go like that. No, I don't go like that. I go like, no, I don't. I go like that. I take it out. I go like that. Break it, and then couple them. Sounds like a most valid idea. That bump. And bump. Okay, I'm standing straight on it. Yeah, that should have been a long time ago. Yo, that's not what you think I'm doing. Yeah, that's not. Hey, I was waiting for the yard, so I always do this. Wow. Ah! 2 people! They just fell for it. Wow. This is the void. I just straight up knew he was in the void, bro. Straight. Like, I just hit my guy 3 times and he was already flying into the void. I didn't have to look back, alright? He was just straight up in the void. And apparently there's nothing I can do about it. How did I just get damaged? What? By Sheila Askell. My teammate almost died for that. And he just fell straight into the void. What is... Bro, I'm just saying, bro. This is falling into the void simulator, right? Yep, baited. Oh! Yeah, you got those Shiyu? You got those Shiyu? Bro, this works 100% of the time, dude. My teammate just got boosted. Oh, it didn't work! Oh, now it worked. Oh, hello? Okay, how did I die? There's no way I died. I thought I was gonna get knocked off or something. Hey, at least you get all our iron back. We don't get our emeralds back, but at least you get our iron back. Why do I keep... And we get our one emerald back. We get almost everything back. Alright, I think we pretty much kill anyone. We already killed 2 people in 1. What can stop me now? You see, that's players' rage. The Diamond Guardian always blesses them or something. They thought. Oh! Smacked! Smacked! Oh, you dead! What makes you think you can kill me, boy? I got my revenge, alright? You think I forgot who killed me? You killed me. I got my revenge, alright, buddy? Swear to God, if he gets back to base and I just don't know about it, I'm gonna freak out, right? He's probably gonna teleport any second, just start smacking me up and everything. Anybody here? Hello? What are you trying to do? You have Nick's ability, buddy. And I have a suffocation certificate. And I just used it. 2 blocks is all it takes to just suffocate me. 2 blocks. Wow. This is all I did. 1, and then it was like this, and then this. And this is like a block that I can't break. These are the blocks I can. And that suffocated me. How is that even possible? Hey, it's possible for the game. It's possible for me, but not other players, alright? It's never possible for other players. But for me, it's 100% times possible. Alright, that guy probably got a lot of loot on him because I let him escape. Because I had a little certificate that I could use or not to my death from suffocation. And I used something I want to see. The timing though, the timing. I hate the timing, dude. Dude, the timing on that is just crazy. The timing on that. I did this, I broke it, I didn't get on it. I had to touch it, I had to break it, but I didn't break it. I'm sorry! Look, he almost reached me from there. Here. I can't. Why is my timing never right? Like, never my entire life I got my timing right. Just never. It would never happen in my entire life. Just never I would get the right timing. Why? Alright, my goal is to get 1 more kill and I'm done. The timing is just crazy nowadays. You know, I'll go for the orange kill because I need to get out of this game. I could have killed him, but I suffocated myself with the certificate that I had. And I did not want to use it, but I guess the game said I had to. So I did. And I did not get my gumdrop back. How do I keep not timing? He does so much damage. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Bro, why does he keep glooping? Fireball. How does that make me take fall damage? You know what? Yeah, that's it, bro. That's just it. Nah, bro. I think I mastered this kit, but for some reason the game is making me not time it correctly. See, I touched it, but it didn't. Yeah, I'm going in 3rd person to see. I touched it. When did you touch it? Alright, I got it now. But that's when I got my full body on it. Don't you just need to touch it? I guess apparently you need your whole body on it. Alright then. Lesson learned. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm Mark, and